Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hello to all my dear students. Welcome to AIMS Online Education Center. Today I will suggest you how to interpret a correlation matrix in chapter 4, which is about data analysis and interpretation, in which some students do not have an idea how to interpret subfactor as which values they report in their correlation tables, or as well as the correlation between all the variables. If you are like my previous video, don't forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. So here we started. So as you see, there is a specific. I go to analyze, then correlate, bivariate. I select the computed variables. So first of all, you must. I also show you how to calculate subfactors. So here is the way. I select MLQ. After that, factors of M, subfactors of MLQ. I select all the factor. After that, I treated your performance of at their subfactor. At the end, I select the other third variable and their subfactor. What do I go to options? I click means and standard deviation, and by default exclude cases where artifact continue Pearson, and after do I what to do? I okay, right? So here is a mean and standard deviation. There you can also write these things. So what should interpret? Here is the relationship MLQ between MLQ. So one is for the what is this one? One means strong relationship. When we are talking about the relationship, now the four subfactor of MLQ, in which idealize, influence, inspiration, motivation, interactive stimulation, individual contribution. So as you see, here is the next one, subfactor one. MLQ subfactor one, which is idealized, there is 1 point, sorry. So here is 0.722, which means there is a strong correlation exists. The relationship between 1 and 8.3, if you see, here is those values which are the relationship between 1 and 2 and 3 or 4 and 4 and 5 and all. So you can report just these values, and as you see, there is a diagonal one, which it means it is strong relationship, right? So here you see the one, diagonal one, as you see above to the end, the diagonal one. Though which value you report these value. These value, this table shows the values of which are also written in these. So student must confuse, sir, ma'am, which value I report in these tables. So write for only first table value like 0.722, and so you just report first table value, right? In your chapter 4, where you develop a correlation, just write first table, first column value, right? These value 0.772, 0.772, 0.835, 0.835, 0.800, 0.80, 0.759, here's 0.79, 0.915. You just report these values, the relationship link with the other variable. Here is how you report or interpret the values of subfactors between one subfactor to other factor. But when we are talking about the relationship between whole variables, so what should do? After computation, go to analyze once again, correlate, bivariate, and here's what should I do? Reset. So that I select once again. So I just computed the whole variable including factor. Go to options, means and standard deviation, and okay, Pearson. So here you see a simple form. I one relationship, one variable to other is a variable 0.95. Then you get 0.924. So here you see, and when you talk about the other variable, 0.915 comes here, and this is the same. So 0.915 and So as you, I also tell you, the original variable have only one, so there is a diagonal one. So you just report those value. 0.925 relationship with the third variable 1 to third is 0.829, and here point third to 1, third to 2.289. So you just report these first variable only, ignore these, right? So here is a video how you should interpret the subfactor of the correlation and all those things you cannot understand. So here is the video for those students who do not know how which values they report of their subfactor as well as variable in the correlation table, right? So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and see you soon and stay connected for the next video. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.